Number one, it's an Aston Martin. Right. And number two, it's sort of an olive green and used in the film On Her Majesty's Secret Service. George Lazenby, Diana Rigg and Telly Savalas. What's special about the car is that James Bond actually got married in it towards the end of the movie. It was actually advertised in the local paper, second-hand car yard, specialising in prestige cars in Glen Huntly. It was advertised as an ex-film car, which I really didn't believe. But I ended up buying it and then joined the Aston Martin Car Club in England, and they basically confirmed that it was the actual car from the movie. Yeah, I paid about $14,500 for it in those days, and you could buy a house for 20, so it was an expensive car in those days, yeah. Well, I've always been a bit of a petrol head. My dad got me an old little Triumph Herald when I was about 16, 17. He said, here, work on this and learn about cars. It took a long time, slowly. But I tried to do everything, all the cars and everything was replaced as per original. Well, the car itself is wonderful to drive. It's like it's on rails. You can go around a corner at nice speeds without rolling because that's what it's designed for. Owning that car itself has opened a lot of doors because of the Bond aspect of it. Been in a lot of exhibitions since it's been restored. It's given me a lot of sense of satisfaction that what I've done over the last 25 years is great. There's always a lot of interest, and a lot of people don't believe that it's actually the car out of the movie. When you say it is, and I say, yeah.